Hey, welcome to episode 2 of the best episodes of Credit 101. So, in episode 2, we're going to talk about how to actually obtain your credit reports. And I have a guide, and it tells you over, I think it's over like 20 places where you can get your credit reports at. So, actually, more than that, because one of mine, number 10, it tells you like a spot where they have to give it to you. Like, anybody. So we're going to go over some of those now. If you guys don't know, I did 206 episodes of Credit 101. I'm only picking 30. I already picked 30 of them that I like the best. And what I did was I'm making a video, as you can see here, that's going to be in the course. Maybe you're watching it in the course already. And I had a lot of downloadables. I made a lot of different guides, worksheets, and different things that you guys can use to help you with all the information that I'm giving you on Credit 101. So in this episode, we have a guide where you can actually get your credit reports. So let's actually go over a few of them. Please, if you guys are in the course, go ahead and download it so you can see all of the ones there. It's self-explanatory in terms of looking at them. Like, oh, that's where I gotta go. Go there and get your credit reports. If you guys don't have access to the membership, get access to the membership, and you guys can be able to download this document also. So let's go ahead and check out a few of them that I have on here. So the first one is you guys can get your credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. So if you guys was to go to annualcreditreport.com, you guys will be able to see that you can get your credit report for free. And here it is here. I don't know why that link didn't work as well as I wanted it to work, but this is annual credit report with no S, because I used to say annual credit reports. And if I say that, please forgive me. I'm just so used to saying it. I'm trying to work on not saying it. But annualcreditreport.com, you can get your credit report from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Ever since 2020, I'm just going to say that the big thing that happened in 2020, we were able to get them free from Equifax, Experian, TransUnion right here. Now, I love this because when I sued Midland, I had to get an actual copy of my credit report to start. And then I actually got what it looked like when they did not delete the account and they kept trying to get money from me. So for me to be able to win my lawsuit, I had to get my credit reports from here because these are like actual credit reports. They're not necessarily, because they're not necessarily, they're not third party. There are the bureaus themselves are giving you your credit reports, and you're able to get them once per week. So this is really nice. So you can get your credit reports from here, but just keep in mind too, for those people that's trying to maybe you're not trying to sue any of these companies, maybe you're trying to get the account deleted. If you guys get your credit reports from here, you're going to give them additional days to verify that information in terms of your dispute letters. You're going to give them additional days to process your disputes. But in my case, I know that these collection companies are not going to send out the documents that they need to send out. So I was like, I need to get my credit reports from here so I can sue them. So this is where you guys will go if you want to actually get an actual copy of your credit reports and you want to make sure that you have complete verification that that account is still on your credit report. So definitely go there. Now, the next place that you guys can actually look is on Aura. So Aura actually they have a 14-day free trial. Make sure you guys use my link here, aura.com/Rickita. So let's actually go there. This website, sometimes on my computer, how it loads is very slow. But again, you have a 14-day free trial for $0. And they're big on digital safety for your whole family. So as identity theft, fraud, or online threats, they're going to let you know exactly what's happening. In terms of, hey, you got a new account on your credit reports. Have you seen this? Have you checked that? They're going to keep you up to date on those different things. But you can definitely get your credit report from them. You can be able to look at your credit report. So that's why I added it here. And it's no cost to you for the first 14 days. It's $0. So I thought that was a great one to actually add to the list. Now, last but not least, you guys do have Identity IQ. You guys have to use my links for these things, you guys. Let me actually see if I can highlight this thing. I might have to delete some, but that's fine. Let's actually look on here, because you can get all 3 credit reports and scores for just $1 trial for the first 7 days. And I love those trials. Like $1, get me in the door. And I should have $1 trial for my memberships too. All of my memberships, just get in for $1, see if you even like it. And that's what I liked about them. And then if you go directly to their website, they're going to charge you $29.99 per month to look at your credit reports. My link actually gives you a discount. It's $21.99. So that's why I really like it too. But I love that it tell you the different things that affect your credit score. We was talking about that in the last episode. I just have way more um, details on what I have here. But they can give you your credit reports and all your actual credit scores. So Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion credit reports and scores, daily credit monitoring and alerts. So they'll say, hey, you got a new account, you got a new inquiry. This is good too, so you guys can get alerts. Sometimes you can't look at your credit all the time. Maybe you need to be alerted to tell you exactly what's going on. And that's what I like about this. This is really great for that. You guys are going to be able to get your credit report every 30 days, and you guys have the $25,000 in identity theft insurance. So this is a great one. Again, it's 10 things, 10 different ones on the list, but some of them tell you multiple places for one different section. So I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to love this. If you guys are already a member of the membership, just go down below and actually download that full document. Let me see if I can give you guys another sneak peek on. Oh, you know what? Let's go over number 10 on here, because this is the actual download here. I don't want to tell everything, but number 10, I think this is very important, especially when you guys are applying for credit. And with me going to school and learning so much about our rights within the FCRA, definitely, I'm not an attorney. I'm not giving out legal advice. Do your own research. But number 10 was, it's unlimited. The bank or the credit card provider, can tell us what our credit scores is, because when they pull our credit report, they give you a hard inquiry. They should know what your credit score is. So those people that want to know their credit score, you should be able to get it from there. You'll usually, like for credit cards, you'll get your denial in the mail. Some banks can give it to you right there on the spot, and they can give you your actual credit reports. And if a bank said that they cannot give you your actual credit report, then please take down the information. Take down the information and write a complaint to them. That's this what let me not give y'all no suggestions. This was what I would do. I would write a complaint to that bank saying that you are authorized to give me a copy of my credit report and let me know what my credit score is. And you guys failed to do that. I need a copy. I demand a copy of my credit report, the one that you pulled on such and such date. And they should send it to you, and they'll just send it to me in the mail. But that's something that I would actually do, because just think about it. When y'all out there applying for a car, you're going to find out what your credit score is, especially if they're pulling your credit um, report multiple times for all these different banks. You get all those inquiries. They should let you know what your credit score is. Like, they should not be going back and forth with y'all. And then also, when you're applying for a mortgage, usually they give you a copy of credit report. I see a lot of people have a copy of their credit report when they actually apply for a mortgage. But that is like an unlimited one. That's the one I said is like almost unlimited, but it's a lot of good ones in here. So go ahead and download it down below if you guys are already a member. If you're not a member, it's $1 trial in the comments and the description. Go ahead and sign up. What are y'all waiting on? You guys can become a member today. Okay, so go ahead and download that, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.